120 School is something that is life changing. I don't know if you've read the book or not, but the book in itself completely changes the perspective that you have on life and the way that you view how you live it and how you make choices every day. So 120 School is an amazing addition to that because it takes you in depth. It takes you kind of into your daily life, and it takes all of the concepts in the book and the exercises and everything that you learned, and it applies them to your life, and really makes you ask some hard questions and look at things in a way that is sometimes uncomfortable, but really good for your growth. And I know that I have grown and awakened in amazing ways based on the challenges and on all the gifts of the things that I've learned. We just had our retreat, the 120 School retreat at Mago in Sedona, and that was just amazing. Talking about the most beautiful and the most beautiful energy and kind of spiritual way to re-evaluate your life, to really kind of go in and say, wait a second, where have I been and where am I going and what's not working for me? Because I think that coming in, I've read every self-help book in the world. I've tried every kind of method, every type of yoga, different things, different philosophies and different ways of thinking. And I'm very open. But this Sedona 120 School, and specifically, I think the experience that I had at this retreat has been so practical. I've got functional tools that I can use, and at the same time, it's taking me to that transformational level. So I can highly recommend it to everyone. As far as Ilchibuko Todd, who teaches this class, I have never met anyone like her. And I say that in the most respectful and positive manner, because from this woman, this human being, you are going to get an understanding of love and a feeling of an energy of compassion and strength at the same time. That will change the way that you feel and the strength that you have too, because just being around that energy and having somebody so directly kind of mentor you and coach you on the reality of what you are doing and what you're choosing, and the potential of what it could be and what you could be living is absolutely life-changing. So again, highly recommend the course, the 120 School, the 120 retreat, and El Chibuco Todd. So join us. It's been fabulous. Thank you.